Hi guys, welcome to Data Talk with Ifine. So in my today's video, I'll be discussing about the need to study data analytics. So quick one, have you come across the word data analytics or have you heard of data analysts or data scientists? Yeah, I know most of you might be confused on what they actually mean. So my focus for today is data analytics. Data analytics is a compound word, data and analytics. So I'll individually explain what it means. What is data? In our primary learning, we were taught that data are raw facts, right? And unprocessed information. Yes, you are correct, if that is what you have in your mind. So data are raw facts and information that is yet to be processed. This information can come in numbers, can come in figures, it can come in any form. But the fact that you can't derive an information from it or you can't know what exactly it's talking about is called data. What is analytics? Or the ability to collect this data, interpret it in a way that everybody can see what it's talking about, see insights and patterns from the data. That is what data analytics is. So in bringing the words together, one can simply say data analytics is facts, is numbers, making use of facts, numbers in making better decisions. Yeah, data driven decision especially. That is what we see as data analytics. So moving forward, why do we need to study data analytics? A very important question, right? And I know most of you will be thinking data analytics are for genius, are for special ones, those that are smart and all that. Of course, you need to be smart, but it's not mainly for just mathematicians. Me talking to you, I didn't even study mathematics in school. So, but I'm here, right? So, data analytics just needs your insight, needs your critical thinking, ability to think outside the box, ability to solve problem. And you are doing all this with your data. If you can do all this fine, if you can use your data to sum up to a conclusion in solving problems and making nice prediction, you are good to go as a data analyst. So don't let anybody deceive you. Data analytics is actually for everyone. The fact that you are even making use of data every day of your life, isn't that good? Take for instance, I'm a business person, I make sales, right? So all these sales I make, don't I save them? Don't I impute them in maybe in a paper form or in a system? These are data analytics. Is it because it's not being tagged? Or take for instance, you do send message, right, to your loved ones. These messages you are sending to your loved ones, the pictures, you are reading stuffs online, yeah, you are making purchases online too. They all generate data. So the ability to understand and interpret this data, that is where data analytics comes in. What are the job opportunities of a data analyst or the job opportunities you tend to get after studying data analytics? There are many jobs opportunities. The fact that today world and time is about tech skills, data analytics is very, very vital. Yeah, because we all make use of data. Mention one industry you know of that doesn't use data. None. The answer is none. Because moving from hospitals to sport to government to any phase of life, there is the need for data. This is what makes you valuable as a data analyst. If you understand your data very well, you know how to interpret it, you know how to manipulate it to get a data driven decision. My brother, my sister, you are good to go. Yes, I said it again, you are good to go. Just understand what it means, and of course you have to be learning the fundamentals. There are many job opportunities, like I said. You get to work as a remote guy or on site, and the pay is actually nice depending on the company that is employing you and the description of your work. Data analytics is like an umbrella. There are many other skills under it. There's the data analyst, there's the research analyst, there's the quality data personnel, there's business analyst, there's marketing analyst. So there are many ways or there are many skills that is being housed under the data analytics. But the basic, the umbrella housing all of them are data analytics. So in today's world and time, we all speak data. In modern society, the language that is generally recognized is data. So if you have the ability to understand this language very well and interpret it, you are indeed leading in this society. So my brother, my sister, if you're still thinking on what to do, Are you still thinking on picking these skills today, learning these skills, or you've already started learning it? Keep going, keep pushing. Trust me, sometime it might be challenging at your learning process, but the good thing is your determination and your focus. If you want to actually learn this skill, you will learn it. I did face challenges during my learning process, but I just had to overlook all that and keep the focus going. So, guys, this is all I have to say about learning data analytics, the need for it. So, kindly share, subscribe, and of course, follow this page. Before I end this video, have you made that decision? Or you're still thinking of it? Okay, let's see now. You don't know you're in 2026 till you heard of your friend that got a big paying job, a gig as a data analyst. Is that when your eye? Is that when? Bye, guys. Cheers.